Hello YouTube, it's me, Polly C, and today we're back in the garage. We're going to do another Trax video. I got this mud flap set that we're going to install today. It's a very simple install. In fact, a lot of people will tell you remove the wheel, but we're not going to do that. All you need is a hex set, or an Allen key set, whatever. This is a hex set that actually fits for the screw that we're taking off. So we're going to use that. I'll leave you links to the stuff for this too, because they're great to have around. It just makes life simpler. So this is the set that I got. It's front and rear. So get the plastic. So it comes with the four front and rear, left and right, and they also give you some screws here. I'm just going to keep these for maybe some other project because you really don't need them. There's basically 2 screws for every one. They got extra ones here. If you want to drill into your car, that's up to you. I'm not going to. I've put these on before on several other cars, and they've lasted. I had a car for 13 years, and I had 2 screws in there, and they lasted the full time. So you don't need, and that's going through snow, mud, whatever. So let's get to it. Alright guys, we're at the front driver's side. This is an important step. Now when you're installing these, you're gonna want to push on it like this and line it up with the screw. The reason I say this is I've already done this, and clumsy me. Just this will stick out and it just doesn't align properly. So you want it to be flush right away around. So let's make sure. Screw in. We're going to hand tighten these first, and then we'll get the hex thing there. That. Yeah, it'll kind of look like crap if you don't do this. Now, by chance it doesn't work, get a little Dremel and kind of make the hole a little wider so you can push it inwards. But this one looks like it's actually gonna fit flush. Yeah, see it. I wish I would have kept the tape version of when I first installed it, because yeah. So anyways, you get the idea there. It's not fully tightened, but we're going to tighten those up. We're going to do the back ones now. Alright guys, for the back one, you're going to have a screw here, and I'm going to try to get underneath here with this camera. There should be one around down there. And you just got to unscrew those, and you're good. Yeah guys, just for a little tip for the rear, use a hex screwdriver to do the underneath. It's so much easier than doing the key right there. So just a little info there. Alright guys, there you go. I got all 4 installed, and I have to apologize about my dirty car, but it's fall right now here in Ontario, and yeah, so it doesn't take long to get them dirty. I'm probably going to try to detail it this weekend. But anyways, that's how it turned out. I think they look alright. They're pretty flush. Anyways, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment.